Do you know that Canva paid template can be used for free without having to make any payment? Well, if you don't, follow me. Let me show you how it's done. So you guys can see here that the Forza gaming template is a paid template. Wow. Now in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to edit this design and save onto my device without making any payment. So my goal here is to replicate all the paid aspect of this design. So I have this gaming community, okay, Vortex Gaming, and that is why I have edited the faucet into Vortex and leaving the other aspects of the design. Now pay attention to wherever you see remove watermark. That is the paid aspect of the design. So I'm going to replicate every part of the design that says remove watermark. How am I going to do that? I'm going to use an editor. Now let me show you guys how it's done. So with the help of an editor known as Pixel, okay, Pixel, it's a great tool, and what I love about that app is you can save your designs in ultra high graphics. Okay, let me open Pixel and show you guys how it's done. Okay, so I was doing something earlier on. Let me delete it. Let me delete the new text too as well. Now I need to change the background to black, since the design I'm about to create, the color of it is white. Okay, the design I'm trying to replicate. So the design is made up of just, I think, 6 dots. Yeah, 6 dots. That was what I saw at the Canva template, the first game template. I mean the one on my top left. Okay, yeah, so just 6 dots. Now let me resize this. Okay, let me copy. Okay, another one. Okay, I need to use grid. Yeah, oh no, let me take it back to black. Yeah, okay, now let me use grid. I want to achieve the best results, so that is why I'm using grid. Grid actually makes your design look well structured. Okay, I'll drag these designs a little bit and then I can take off the grid when I'm done. Okay, I think this is perfect. Now let me take the grid off and then convert the background to transparent and save this image in ultra high graphics. Okay, so ultra quality. Since when did Pixel Lab start showing us? Wow. These people. Okay, so let me minimize this. I think the saving is done. Let me minimize this and get back to Canva. My data is really loading slow today. I think it's from the network. Okay, so now I need to import my design. Okay, so here it is. Okay, let me import this. All right. Now let me take it to the top left and try to resize my design. I want it to fit the exact same size. Okay, that is why I'm doing that. Now when I'm done, I can just drag mine down and then delete Canva's own. Yes, it's a paid design, so I'll just take that one off and replace it with mine. Okay. Perfect. Now let me drag it down and delete Canva's own. Okay, yes, the one with the remove watermark. I need to delete that one and then take my design back to to the exact same position. Perfect. Okay, now let me come to my bottom right and change that one as well. But I think okay, it's okay, it's okay. Leave it like that. Feel like resizing that one a little bit, but I think it's okay. It's okay. So let me delete this one too as well, and then replace it with mine. Since that one is also a paid one, it also has that remove watermark. Okay, so that means that if it is there and I try saving this design, it wouldn't what? It wouldn't be saved. I will be asked to pay. So now that I'm done with that, I need to remove the middle one too as well. This one is just 5 dots. So let me go back to Pencil Lab and create the exact same thing. Now since I already have mine over there, I'll just delete some part of it and then keep one. So I'll delete this, delete another one too, and leave the exact same thing, save it, and then use it on Canva. Oh, I forgot, mine is 6 dots. I need to remove 1 dot. Okay, then remove 1 dot. The middle one has only 5 dots. That is why I want to use 5 dots. Okay, now save it in Ultra and then go back to Canva. Pencil Lab must stop this ads then. Okay, so now let me delete this one too as well and upload mine. Okay, yeah, so I'm replicating all the paid aspect of the design. Okay, that is what I'm doing. So I'm replacing theirs with mine. Okay, so let me upload this one too as well. Why is mine not showing? The one I just did. Oh, let me go to the folders. I think that one will be better. I'm still refreshing here and it's not working. Okay. Okay. So now let me upload this. Oh, you can see it's uploading. So let me just bring it to the middle. Now that line itself will show me the best place to put it to. I think I'm done. Now let's try to save this design and see if Canva will allow us or not. Okay, so when you see them telling you to make any payment, then that means that you didn't do the job. Oh voila, you guys can see Canva is exporting my design. So this is how to use Canva Pay templates for free, okay, without you having to make any payment at all. Now if you are not familiar with designing with Pencil Lab, you can just go to YouTube. If you have no design skills, just go to YouTube and search how to design with Pencil Lab and you will learn a whole lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you guys get notified anytime I post a new video. Shalom.